Welcome back. After detecting more than 400 cases of foreigners purchasing land in Goa illegally, the state government has decided to ban foreigners from purchasing properties in the state by amending the Registration Act 1908, which will now be called Goa Registration Act 2008.
1908, there is an Indian Registration Act under which this is a plain Registration Act where there are no powers defined to go through the validity of document. Now this section 22 will be amended by inserting section 22A.
Briefing media persons, Finance Minister Dayanand Narvekar said the amendment would be presented in the Budget Assembly session for approval, which would give more power to the sub-registers to scrutinize the documents before registering the same.
The state government may by notification in official gazette declare that registration of any document or any class of document specified in such notification shall be opposed to public policy. If it is opposed to public policy of selling land to foreigners, sub-registrar will stop registration of that document.
He said earlier sub-register had no power to check the validity of documents, due to which many foreigners took advantage and bought properties.
There was no power for refusing to register a document to sub-registrar of Goa State. There was no power to sub-registrar to refuse a document to be registered. His power was only to see that X who comes there, his signature it attested. He could not go into the validity of document.
Mr. Narvekar lamented that those foreigners holding proper documents would be allowed to purchase land in Goa.
A statement in the registration deed that I have got RBI permission. Today they had no power to check it. Now they will go through it.
So therefore, if I have RBI permission,
that is for business and other purposes. That will be applicable.
Time for a short commercial break here with Goa 365.